coffee base. So you need is the coffee, the water, and bowl, and
Yeah, I'm gonna hot boil it.
So let me just put all this thing.
To this thing.
and yeah, that's a little bit dirty. So
This is it.
Some background music is like
like.
parents are watching Pushpa movie. My family's watching, but
First, let's add the water. The 1/3. Yeah, let's add first the water. And coffee. You need a little bit coffee powder, like make it color. Probably not. You can use this and put some sugar and you can drink it. So it's good. And you want to make first the water because it want to be cold. So you know. Now let's boil this.
so guys, I'm gonna put it in same and make it little heat. Then I want to wash this dishes, so I'm gonna wash this dishes. So I will see after this cooked or hot. Then we'll see the next process. So guys, it's boiled, it's done. Let's off the gas.
I put it in the same.
Maybe I'm not going to talk you too much in this video. Just to mention it. Now let's wait for it to heat, cool down. Set it room temperature or let it cool.
So guys, now let's check what we need to do this. I try to make my camera as nice as possible, and this angle is the bright possible, nice as possible, and the light is little dim. Sorry for that. If you're doing this, please give us modding because it's gonna be easy. Just gonna do some colors, but I'm doing for dirt now because I need like this pens, like that stuff. So for the materials we need for the paper is of course we need a paper. You can use a A4 sheet that me, or you can use for a thick, like for using, like if you give to your customers, you can use the drawing book paper. So I'm not using that because I have this, so I use this. You need this, okay? And you need a sketch brush pen and a concealer pen, the outlining copy pen. So I'm using outlines pen. I buy it. Focus please, bro. Write it up. This is a prize. Hope you can see it because yeah, this is super unlike it. So let me show you guys the prize. This is the prize. So this marking. I don't know what I don't know how to do it. It's kind of excited. You know, but not just you. Please don't bust the marking. So now let's start to use the paint. And use scissor by the way. I'm gonna use speed mode because this is, you know, grafting. So you need the A4 sheet to fold it like this in equal parts. Just do this and cut out the length that you need your picture. You can use it like for the books. I prefer to do fold it like this and fold three times, and you will have a good amount of size. What I want to say is like a nice amount of your size, or you know, and you can do that. So I'm doing a card, right? Like it's gonna be like flashy, so you don't want to do that. Just cut this bad boy, and you're gonna tear the sides to make a little oldie paper texture. So let's cut it. ASMR. So ASMR out. So you don't want to cut cleanly because we are going to be cutting this. So not need to be super clean or like that stuff, but just for a length. Yes, it is. So here's our papers. Maybe for the new ones. pairings. You know the paper there. So this is our final thing looks like. This panorama is spreading to be, it's got kind of messed up, so kind of like this. This is like this, really okay. So it's not like that there was kind of like upsetting, but it was okay. So this is our final product to look like. And we want to dip it into the coffee mixture that we made, and it's going to be perfect. So right now I'm just doing this video editing steps. What I will do next, I don't know, but we'll sleep and I will watch pushback. Y'all, I forget to do the Halloween, bro. So I'm gonna make the Halloween.
Now we want to make the paper cut out in like that step and show you guys what I'm planning and how I'm planning what I'm doing right like that step. So let's keep it.
We'll start it to make the paper.
Guys, I'm just deep here, so now I'm gonna wait for a little minute because I need some of the color to enter. So I don't know if you want to add sugar or not, so forget it or not, I don't know. So I'm gonna make one with sugar also, so I'll show you that. So I'm gonna do this stick paper that I put there, and I'm gonna put this half of the water on the other this ball, I think so. And I'm gonna put sugar in there, and let me just see if the sugar works or not. So let me just do it. I'm not gonna film that, so let's do it. Tap tap tap. So like this, I take it out. I don't want to be carrying that paper. So I just put the sugar right now. It's like the sugar on top on that. So I'm gonna put this paper here. Like stuff it in it. And I think the sugar works. So say for like sometimes, and I can take out this step. So here's the camera. You see, it's here. This is the hardest step. And carefully take it out. If it's here, no problem. Just put it around that way. It's here. But you fix it. Just fix it out. So here is our paper for now. And it's like that. So you can fix it. Don't worry. I'm gonna put the cap under so we can dry how to use that. So this is our sugar paper. We're gonna mix this. See, sugar paper. It's kind of hard, isn't it? But there's not too big difference. If you do like, you know, like this, I think it will make it even better for like a long time. I also use the sheet also. So I want to design the sheet. You can see that's super pretty. And I'm gonna be putting that on here. And just read the sugar. So let's use this one. I've never used this one. And I'm gonna use this one for either craft because I don't want to make this coffee pot. So I just use this for this container. I'll just grab one. So I just grab this storage container and I'm just wash it. So as you can see, I just wash it. I'm gonna try this one back, the sugar one. Down to here. To make it easy.
So let's start. If you want to dry this paper, you can dry it in sunlight, that's good. But I'm doing it at night, so that why we clean this one and put the paper that I this one like a color. There may be something, you know, purple. I need to wipe it in that one and put this paper. This is our that one, and you can see that the water is there. So we're gonna take it out. Don't try to take it out from the plate right now like this condition because it's gonna be teared. So what you need to do is wait for tomorrow. I think the sugar will make a good effect into it. You can see that I'm gonna use this also for something. I don't know what I'm gonna use. Always tear it. So be careful with tear. I'm gonna use a tear or something. Well, let me cut this side because I need another one and it's so easy to cut right now. Just cut like that. And cut it. And now to put it into this one to the fridge. Because it's sugar, I'm scared of ants to come in the room. So this one to the room. So this one still come in the water. But it's no problem. Okay. Let's put this in the fridge and that's done. It's good. I'm going to do the review on Monday. So guys, maybe not in the morning because I'll wash Pushpa. After Pushpa, I will test if it dried. I'm gonna show you guys. So rest of them is to do the animation clip. Let's do that tomorrow. Let's put down. No, not down. Oh, let's put here. So let's put here the fans. When come here almost. And I'm gonna grab the steps and put it to this place. It belongs to me. Papers goes there because it's iron will carry it. And this paper is just put there for it. See when this is dried, and I'll talk about the first one works or the sugar ones are the best. And don't try to cake it out, it's gonna be teared. So let's wait for some minutes. And some here is teared, but it's gonna dry. It's gonna be so crazy, and I'm gonna stick it up with a tab or something.
So guys, I put a little bit of mixer, so now let's wait for a little more.
Happy anniversary. The wedding day. We're done and bye bye. That's for today's video. I forgot to shoot the drawing thing I was drawing, but I was looking at my phone, so that's why. So this is the final look. I really love it. It's super good. So bye. The big person. But